Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a community forum with Discourse, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Discourse website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select the hosting option that suits your needs, either self-hosting or using their hosted solution. If you choose self-hosting, make sure you have a compatible server ready. Follow the provided instructions to set up Docker on your server. Once Docker is installed, run the command to pull the latest Discourse image. After the image is downloaded, create a Discourse container using the configuration script. Fill out the configuration details including email address, forum name, and password. Make sure to set up your domain name in the configuration. Run the script to start the Discourse application. After a few moments, journey over to your web browser and enter your domain. You will see the Discourse welcome page. Proceed to the Setup wizard where you can customize initial settings. Set up categories based on the topics of discussion for your community. Decide on the permissions for users, moderators, and administrators. Once everything is configured, encourage users to create accounts. Share the link to your new forum on social media and relevant platforms. Monitor the community to ensure respectful and constructive interactions. Regularly post engaging content to attract members. Consider setting up guides and rules for your community to follow. Use Discourse's built-in analytics to track engagement and growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.